The sixth company is Stamps. This is the ticker symbol is
STMP.
Yep, STMP.
This is a big topic of discussion.
Go on,
When
Rohan.
we first started our Patreon, one of our patrons, Phoenix, he loved this thing. And when in the Pulse Super Shorts, we talked about this stock for quite some time. Remember that, Paul?
Yeah, I
That
love
was a
the
lot.
stock. We
Yeah.
were just worried about the Postal Service deal they had.
Correct.
And we were looking at like 120 or something like that. I wrote puts at 70 and 100.
Yeah.
And now it's at 200 and some. So, or what's it at?
180.
Yeah, 186.
This is an internet-based mailing and shipping service, Stamps.com. I'm sure you've heard of this before. They are in El Segundo, California, and they were founded in 1996, the dawn of the internet age, to help you ship your packages.
Can I vent about something?
Oh, God. Probably not. Go ahead.
My neighbor at the new house keeps calling me, and every time he calls me, he leaves a message. I said, don't call me. Text me when you need something. He keeps calling.
Isn't he moving?
I don't know. He texted me too now.
This
Great.
is the breaking financial
I mean, it's just
analysis.
so funny to me. Like, I literally say,
neighbor.
don't call me. I don't answer the phone. Text me. Phone call.
No, the Patreon price will not go back down to $8 for the initial group.
Who asked that question?
A couple people. All right, let's keep going.
$8? This alone right here is worth $8 a month.
All right, here we go, Paul. Let's get after Stamps.com.
$3.4 billion market cap. PE of 17, check mark. Healthy profit margin of 25, check mark there. No dividend, really high return on assets and return on invested capital. That's good. That's going to become one of our pillars soon, but more of the Gary Mashuris method of economic profit. So we're going to look at that. So far, 2 checks, Uncle Seth.
This stock, Paul, is currently $184. In May of 2019, it was $34.
Yep.
This is absurd. Okay, revenue growth over the past 5 years is pillar number 3 for Omaha.
387, 795, check mark there. Over doubling in revenue, which makes sense for last year because everything was, but yeah.
Profit growth over the past 5 years?
I really hope it's up a lot. 95 to 196, check mark there.
Perfect. The shares outstanding. We want this number going down, Paul. You know that.
Unfortunately, it is not. 16.9 to 18.36. That's an X, our first X so far.
Current assets over current liabilities for Stamps.com.
700 million and 243 million. But even better, total liabilities of 338 million. So they have plenty of cash on hand to pay off all of their debts. $400 million difference, which makes the market cap about 3 billion instead of 3.4 billion.
$3 billion for the market cap. Okay, free cash flow growth.
139 to 334. Check mark there with an average of 200. 200 times 20 equals 4 billion. Guys, I actually feel...
Come on, I don't... Go on.
I don't like their shares outstanding increasing. But I actually feel like this company does justify a higher multiple on free cash flow. Because I do think that over time, there's a lot of competition having to do with shipping. Stamps.com has been a name around for 20 years now. If you believe that they're going to be able to help a lot when it comes to U.S. Postal Service and other things, and they'll get hopefully ingrained in UPS and FedEx and helping people and businesses, and I saw commercials for them, then I think this is a company that's growing and can grow further. I'm not as scared of this company at 186 as even seeing it as $34 in 2019. This actually makes some sense to me. I have not entered a position on it. It's not a value play in my opinion, but I don't think it's an unreasonable play at this level.
Ty is saying that they are buying back 120 million shares. Maybe this is news
article.
Well,
that's not possible because they don't have 120 million shares outstanding.
Okay, that's...
Are they buying back $120 million worth?
Dollars worth. Sorry
okay, that's a lot. That's good.
Yeah, you're right, Paul. People are saying, stamps always go up. They're never going to lower the price of... Well, they could lower the price of stamps if no one ever uses them, but it does get annoying to actually go to the post office nowadays. I mean, more and more often I'm trying to get stuff printed at home, slap the sticker on there, and come get it. So... Mo, what are people doing in terms of trading? Guys, I do see a little lag in the video. Sometimes this is not our fault.
Hit the live button on your screen.
No, I'm saying it's actually slow-mo a bit. I saw this. Listen, Meet Kevin had 20,000 people in a live stream, and it was lagging as well. This just happens sometimes with YouTube. So just bear with us. You all are great. I love you. Mo, are people trading Stamps.com in a bit nasty?
You know what? I'm kind of liking this. It did a sweet spot reversal recently, maybe 2 weeks ago, and it's looking like it's going to creep back up there again. So that means red line is going to cross through yellow, and we might start a new uptrend. So this might be something to keep on the watch list. And if it does turn green, like it would on my my charts, and start making good engulfing candlesticks, This thing can make a run. I think you're going to face resistance around 215, but if not, remember, there was a gap that was made right here. I'm assuming it was probably on earnings of some sort.
Gaps will fill, baby.
Gaps will fill, and that was around, $280 as a peak.
Oh, so this has some room to run.
This has some room to run if it can get through this resistance point of $215.
If you're bidding ask, if you're in the bid and ask, put this on your watch list, and we will take a look and certainly discuss it. Mo, I jumped in the bid and ask yesterday.
Yeah, I know, you told me.
And people were shocked. They said this is a paid actor. Someone has stolen Seth's computer, and they're talking to bid and ask. It was real me, and yes, I sounded foolish. So,
and guys, help Seth out. Seth wants to get into this stuff, so help Seth, and just like you help everybody else. And Seth is going to eventually be doing this.
This will be fun. Yeah, this will be great. So it's a little overpriced at the moment, Paul, right?
No, I think it's fine. If you believe that the future is still going to get better, which, I'll be honest with you guys. I'll be transparent. I think I worry too much about the future of companies as opposed to just saying, listen, if I buy a basket of good stocks that all have the same similar characteristics, I'm going to be wrong on some, I'm going to be right on quite a few, and I'm going to be about right on a big chunk of them. I think you're going to do well on that one. If you have stamps.com as part of a portfolio that fits this criteria, I think you'll do fine. I don't think it's bad, and they're buying shares back now with extra cash flow. Wonderful.
Again, if you're coming in late, you can join Mo in the morning, every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, to talk stock news and analysis. Our Patreon-only dedicated live stream every Thursday at 2 p.m. For those of you out there, 2 p.m. Eastern is when we talk just to the patrons, so join us in a couple days. And as always, the big show, Tuesdays at 1. Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.